What do you see? Films?
Mr. San Andreas, your 5 o'clock appointment is here.
Go ahead and bring him in.
Hi. I'm Jeff.
Hey.
I'm Jeff.
Is there something that I can...
I've got an idea, an invention. I need an investor.
Well, I'll invest in your product if you impress me with it.
Okay, so, here it is. I call it, the microwave. I named it after my dog.
You named it after your dog?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Yeah. We have our box, and, we take our food, and we put it inside the box, and we shoot radiation at it.
Radiation?
Yeah, well, it's not actually, radiation, it's, pure wave energy, that makes the water molecules, spin very fast, that cooks the food, and, that's why, sound can't travel through space, but light can.
Space?
Yeah, space, like rocket ships. You know, anyways, I have, some diagrams here, the papers that I use. I have, diagrams of rocket ships and math equations.
What is this?
That is, my dog, Micro. It's
Your
what I
dog.
It's what I named the microwave after.
Micro, yeah. Jeff, as an investor, I don't think I'm gonna be able to invest in this.
What?
It's just, you're an interesting guy and all, but this is a terrible idea.
I'll find another investor! I'll find another one! I'll find another one!
You left the radioactive thing here.
Are you lonely? Do you often find yourself eating alone? Well, we have the perfect invention for you. Introducing the microwave, invented by Jeff, using the power that makes it impossible to hear sound in space.
Rocket ships!
You can now zap your food and create a delicious and nutritious meal in seconds. With over 5 million units sold within the first 7 days, you'd be crazy not to own one.
Thank you, microwave.
The microwave!
I'm so rich now!
Son of a gun. At least I still have you, Josh. I'm about to take out all of my aggression on your tight little anus.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to